Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's another exciting day. I just am super excited to share these boxes with you. I got Boxy Luxe this month and they sent me the base box as well. So if you guys want to see what I got, just keep on watching. The secret to getting ahead is getting started. So let's get started in both of these boxes and see what we got in there. It's another exciting evening. If you guys didn't see what's behind me, I got, oops, forgot to do something. There we go. I got 2 boxes this month. If you guys want to see what I got in these boxes, just keep on watching. Oh my gosh. My hair is getting caught all up in it. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is the month of June. This is when BoxyCharm has their Luxe boxes, and I think there's another one after that. Premium or Luxe. Oh, hold up. What the fuck? Excuse my language. I just realized something. So they have the base box, which is this one right here, and they gave me the Luxe box. This is the big one. This is the freaking, what the fuck? This is like the third tier. Wow, I'm just now realizing this. I'm an idiot. Oh my god. So if you got, let's just open both boxes and see. We're gonna open the base box first, and I have my paid box, but I'll just do a TikTok on that and I'll show you what I got in that. So this box, oh, I like it because I'm seeing this. It's for Pride Month, and this box is called Express Yourself, and I love the little rainbow on here, and it has all the products in the back of it. Wow, this is super nice. Okay. So the first item is lip injections by Too Faced. It is Maximum Plump. Their liquid lips for their plumping lip gloss. This works really well, and I say yes to this because I have another one by Too Faced and it really works. You know what? Fuck, we're gonna just try it. Like, you can feel it instantly. Smells like watermelon. Good, great for the summer. And this retails for $32. Shit. Where's my phone? We're gonna see how much this box retails for. Oh my god, I dove right in. I didn't even do my spiel. So BoxyCharm. Oh, I feel it working already. Oh, this video is gonna be all over the place. How does it do that? It works instantly. Like, I feel it pumping. Yeah. BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription box where you get 5 full-size items for $27.99 with your base box. The average box amounts to $175 or more or less. For just $27.99, you get 5 full-size items. You can upgrade to premium or luxe once you have subscribed to the base box. Oh my god, my lips are tingling. Wow. Yep. This really works. Anyway, so the first item I got was by Too Faced, and this retails for $32. We're gonna see how much this is worth. So that's $32 plus, what's the next item? Violet Voss. Oh, it's an eyeshadow palette. Here it is right here. It's called Sunkissed Summer Eyeshadow Palette and Pressed Pigment Palette. Eyeshadow and Pressed Pigment Palette. Here's the packaging. The packaging is really pretty. Oh, these colors are really pretty. I have a hard time with Violet Voss, but you know what? I don't mind giving it another chance, because these colors are beautiful and these will look really pretty on my skin tone. Yeah, I do like them a lot. I can't believe this lip gloss works instantly. Look. I feel it. Yeah. It's like almost like numbing my lips. Weird. Shit. Wow, I don't know what is in it that makes it plump like that. But anyways, so this retails for $37. There's something else I was gonna say. Oh, I wanted to say thank you, BoxyCharm, for gifting me June's base and luxe box. I am still blown away, like, by this. This is insane. Like, what the fuck is really going on? But thank you guys for, you know, I'm just a tiny channel and I'm trying to grow myself, and by you guys gifting me these amazing products, I'm gonna always review them for you all. Thank you so much. Thank you from the bottom of my little channel here in little sunny ass Florida. Thank you so much for this. It means so much to me because I am like this big on this big ass spectrum of this world, and I just want to say thank you. Okay, I am all over the place. The next item is Dr. Brandt's Black Backlight Primer. Dr. Brandt is a really good brand. It's a skincare brand. Formulated to fade out your biggest beauty boundaries such as fine lines, wrinkles, and pores. Girl, look at this shit right here. Yes, I have all that. So, I will be using this. Sorry, the box is in the way. I will be using this. This retails for $38. So right now our box is at $100 already. I am excited about this. So hopefully it will work. Do I have any Dr. Brandt products? I probably have gotten something either in Ipsy or Boxy. I don't think, no. Well, you know, I've heard really good things about Dr. Brandt, so I'm excited to use this. The next item is by Vise Art Bronze Noix. Create an all-over warmth. And I mentioned with this lightweight, long-wearing matte bronzer. Oh, okay, look at the packaging. Packaging's kind of cool. This is a little box that it came in. This is a bronzer. Okay, so how do we open it? Oh. I'm like fucking it up. Oh, this is pretty. It's kind of light though. Is it light or is it just me? I could always use it as a blush too because I like nude blushes as well. But it is a bronzer. This retails for $30. And the last item in here is by Beauty Vault Eyeliner. This highly pigmented eyeliner is long wearing and waterproof. This retails for $18. So this box averages to $155. Just take it out, show you. It's just a liquid eyeliner. I am super excited about this box and I can't wait to share any repeats with this box and my paid box. If I have any repeats in here, I'll put them in a giveaway. I have to do a giveaway. I will do one for back to school and maybe end of summer, so just look out for that and I will put it together and do it. I promise I will. I've been saying it forever. I will. So what we all been here waiting for to see. Thank you, BoxyCharm, for giving me the base box. Let's get into this big ass luxe box. Like, this box is so freaking heavy. Oh my god. Oh, look, I can't even get the box to open great. To open it like this. What the fuck? Excuse my language. This has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This has 8 full-size products in it. Oh my god. What the hell? This is insane. I am so thankful right now. Like, I'm freaking out because this doesn't happen to me. This doesn't happen to me. Thank you. Okay, so the first item is by Beauty Bakery Cotton Candy Champagne Blush Palette. Okay, that is this bad boy right here. Wow. Cotton Candy Champagne Blush Palette. How does it open? Oh, shit. I want to break it. Oh, okay. So it's like that. Let's take it out. It's a blush highlighter palette. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at these colors. Thank you, BoxyCharm, for this. It's like blush and highlighter together. This is so beautiful. Oh my god. This retails for $38. This is exciting. Okay. The next item is Dew of the Gods Fiji Collagen Whipped Vitamin Mask. I love masks. I can't wait to use this. Vitamin cocktail, anyone? That Fiji glow hits different. Yes, boo. We want this because we want our skin to be flawless. This is great to use after you have cleansed your face and exfoliated. You could put your mask on, or you could just cleanse your face, then put this mask on and put it on for like 20-30 minutes. Let it soak into your skin and just get all those toxins out. Do it on a Sunday evening when you're watching 90 Day Fiancé. That's what I do. Oh my god, I'm super excited about this. This retails for $42. The next item, oh my god. NARS. I have a NARS product in here. NARS Iconic Lipstick. No rules, just lips. A new formula, dynamic blend of Moringa passion fruit. Girl. NARS is like high-end shit. I broke it. That's okay. Oh. Did I break it? I did. It's alright. There's the color there. It's in the color... Look. Ooh. Making more of a mess. I don't... Intrigue. I am intrigued. This retails for $26. Oh, it sucks it broke, but it's okay. It happens. Things like that happen. There's nothing we can do about it. The next item is by Elmis. This is another great skincare company. Elmis Clarifying Clay Wash. Deeply cleanse pores and reduce the look of blemishes with this purifying facial wash. So on your Sundays, you can use this facial wash along with your mask and your skin will be great. This is a very good brand, and I have used Elmis before, so I do recommend this brand. This retails for $49, boo. We're already at $155. That's as much as the base box cost. And we still have all these products to still go through. Okay, so thank you, BoxyCharm, for this. Let's just keep on going. The next item is Key Soul Care. Let me glow illuminating priming serum with niacinamide, a hydrating, illuminating complexion and makeup priming serum that reveals a healthy glow. Oh my god. This is key ingredients for your skin. I'm super excited about this box. This is a great box because it has a little bit of everything. It smells good too. Oh my gosh. I think I have heard of this brand. This is a good, it's already sealed. I don't want to open it. Golden Aura Dore. Can I open it from the bottom? I can. Oh my god, the bottle is so pretty. Wow, the bottle is pretty. It smells good too. This retails for $26. Okay, let's put the back in. The next item is by Patrick Ta Beauty. Major Glow Lip Shine. Oh, another lippy product. That's really cool. I don't have any Patrick Ta items, so this is really nice. And I will be taking photos of all this, so check out my Instagram at Norissi. There is the lip, what is it? It's just a lip gloss right there. It is very pretty. The packaging on it is gorgeous. This retails for $22. Holy shit, we're already over $200 worth of items, and I still have a couple more items to go. The next item is by Day Cactus Flower Leave-In Conditioner. Yes. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and spray this in my hair. Because, oh, look what it did. That's okay. Because after coloring my hair gets very damaged and dried. And this leave-in conditioners are great for your hair. Calms frizziness, softens, hydrates. Oh, it feels really nice on my hair. It smells good too. So that leave-in conditioner retails for $26. And the last item is by You of Beauty, BU Limited Collection. The BU collection includes 3 full-size and 3 mini antibacterial blenders. Okay, so beauty blenders. I'm not gonna dog that because I could always use some beauty blenders. So they're all in here. Oh, I'm gonna take them out. What the hell? These cost $65. What the fuck? Excuse my language. I'm sorry I'm cursing a lot today. These cost $65. I will take pictures of these and put them on my Instagram because it's just like they're falling all over the place. Plus 65. Wow. This box retails for $294 and you get 8 items in your Boxy Luxe box. I am blown away. Like, this again never happens to me. BoxyCharm, girl, I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my little birdie heart for both boxes this month. This means so much to me, especially with somebody who's been struggling so much with mental health and every shit that I have going on. It's this that makes me want to keep on pushing my channel. And if this is the only box that I get from PR, you know what? I am so thankful for this. Again, I am such a tiny channel. I just want to say thank you again, BoxyCharm, for everything you have done for me. I will keep on reviewing your products and keep on trying my best. And I just want to say thank you again for gifting me these boxes. Alright everybody, that is it for today. I hope you all are doing great. And I will see you guys later. Bye everybody.